Hi guys, I found this alternative to a fresh apple that is amazing. These apples they're called fried apples, and they do have the recipe on the back to fry them, and they're crispy. They're not mushy. And I've gone through quite a few cans testing them out, and they're wonderful on ice cream, pancakes, waffles, oatmeal. But the most amazing thing about keeping these in your pantry is that if we're in a situation where fruit is scarce or it's just not the right time of the year for fresh, these apples are actually crunchy. They're grown in Chile and they're wonderful. I picked them up for 79 cents a can, and they're grown in Chile, and there is no high fructose corn syrup in them. It's straight out sugar. So if you see these, pick them up. I had seen someone else talk about them a year ago, and I didn't know this brand. I had never seen them. And then they showed up at a grocery outlet bargain market. So I grabbed a case, and I'm going to go grab a couple more. So I hope you get some, and I hope you enjoy them.